Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruiser. Got here a Motomclous scooter lift. Okay, very cool bit of kit, made in Italy. Proper pump. This pump will actually do our big benches like that, but I've just converted them to electric, which you could on this as well. But basically, we're going to pump this up. Well, Nick's going to demonstrate a scissor lift. Okay, a normal lift, you need 3 foot in front for the bloody thing to allow you to you know, to go up. This will vertically go up and down like the big lifts, like this, which is another Motomclous awesome lift. Okay, so we're fully up at this. Now we've got a stop here we can put in. All right, this is a stop. So to release it, you're going to do this. Sorry, you're going to do this. Okay, now as you can see, the height is pretty cool, 3 foot and 90 centimeters. Okay, a lot of lifts are nothing like that height. And you can see the quality of this thing. It runs on ball bearings on the floor. This is your release, as I say. Now, not quite worked out what these are. You can put a metal plate on here by the looks of it, or you can drain the oil here or here, or have 2 plates. But wheel clamp obviously needed. But if you're doing the old scooters, this is like for your Vespas and stuff from the 60s and 70s. I believe that's what it's for. It's got an awesome 300 kg ram, which if you know the Italians and the Germans, that will actually do a lot more. They're tested normally to 2 or 3 times what they say. Whereas the Chinese lifts, you'd be lucky if it does what it says.
I've got an LML star on mine.
Yeah. Nick's got an LML star, whatever that is on his.
On mine.
Yeah. And if you want to check the dims on this thing, we are looking at
Just over 5 foot.
61 inch, which is 155 mil in new money. And the width of it, centimeters is it? Sorry, yeah. Says how much I know about metric. And this is what, is that 50 centimeters?
50 centimeters,
half a metre wide,
19.5 inches.
19.5 inches. Okay. Now, you can see the build quality on this, proper bearings, really well made. It's got these 2 cutouts, which I imagine for draining oil or taking the wheel out on an old scooter, because it'd be a 10-inch wheel, you'd be able to drop the wheel out and dump the oil here. Or possibly the front wheel just sits in there and you dump it there, but not honestly sure. We're going to find out from the people we bought them off. You're looking at 15.5 inch or 40 centimetre hole there. And we have got a 30 centimetre 1 foot hole there. Now, when this lift goes down, which we shall demonstrate, the pump is awesome. These are really old lifts, but the build quality is not like your Chinese rubbish. You can see this thing's now going down, the catch is off. Excuse the music. Now, whether or not these things are for your tyres, we're not too sure. But it looks like when you roll the bike on there, your wheel will go on here, and then perhaps your rear wheel's over here, we're not sure. But easiest way is if you wanted to, you could just put a large sheet of ply, or, you know, obviously a proper bit of metal on there, or 2 bits of metal would allow you to access both holes. And if you had one with 4 little things on here, it would actually stay in place. And obviously you could put a wheel clamp on the front like we have on this. We've got a big wheel clamp on this one. But awesome bit of kit, not made in the Far East. These are genuine Italian scooter lifts by Motomclous from Italy. Still going. They made this big lift here. See the size of this thing. This will do Harley Davidson anything. But if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Or call me, 01773835666, or sales@customcruisers.com if you want to email me. Thank you.